Hi guys, in this video I'm going to do a aloe vera skincare routine. You guys know the benefits of aloe vera, right? But we don't have the time to pluck the leaf, cut it and take the flesh out of it. We want something ready-made that suits a busy life, isn't it? So here I am with an aloe vera skincare routine. If your skin loves aloe vera, then this video is right for you. I am taking WOW Skin Science Aloe Vera Hydrating Face Wash, which has built-in face brush for deep cleansing. Face wash has this locking system. You need to turn it on and after that you can squeeze the bottle to get the face wash out of it. This is a moisturizing and a smoothing face wash with aloe vera, green tea, calendula and cucumber to cleanse your skin without causing any dryness. A soothing and nourishing face wash that is highly refreshing to use after a tiring day. It leaves a cool and fresh sensation after use, which means this is summer appropriate. This face wash comes with an attached brush which is made up of soft silicone that gently exfoliates your skin and removes the dead skin. It is dermatologically tested, it is suitable for all skin types. The results may vary based on your skin condition. It is made in the Himalayas. This face wash is free from parabens, sulfate, silicones and color. So even sensitive skin can use this because it is free from color. When done, close the locking system. My skin feels so refreshing and so fresh after using this face wash. For the second step, I'm going to apply a peel off gel mask. Guys, this is summer and I know oily skin suffers a lot from blackheads and whiteheads, especially this summer season. So we need something that is effective and easy to use. So we have the WOW Skin Science Aloe Vera Peel Off Mask. Apply it on your face, avoiding the eye area. This peel-off mask clears the skin and conditions it for a velvety feel. Aloe vera extracts helps to repair it dry and gives you that soothing relief. It has pro-vitamin B5, helps to reduce hyperpigmentation for smooth skin. It helps to remove dead skin cells so that you can achieve your clear skin. So after 15 to 20 minutes when the mask is completely dry, I am removing the mask off my face. Finally, I am going to massage my skin with a Lift and Firm Aloe Vera Gel. Usually, the third step would be a moisturizer. But for this routine, I am not going to use just a moisturizer, but a moisturizer that has a massager attached to it. This aloe vera gel is infused with jojoba oil, hyaluronic acid and vitamin B and E. The Lift and Firm Aloe Vera Gel is fast absorbing, non-sticky and gives the skin a velvety finish. Use this twice a day for better results. The gel helps to provide deep hydration to the skin and improve the skin texture. It has an anti-aging effect that helps to minimize the fine lines, fill out deep wrinkles and gives your neck a firm look. So this massager is again made up of soft silicone. This will not gonna hurt your skin but will give you that relaxed effect to your skin. After a tired and busy day, you can use this massager to give your skin a relaxing feel. And also you will feel relaxed and fresh and cool. I hope this video is simple yet useful. So this summer do utilize a lot of aloe vera in your skincare routine. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Diti, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.